Hey everybody, we are doing the number of the day from the May packet, number 152. Here we go. We're going to start with one group of 100, 5 tens, and 2 ones. So say the rhyme with me. Start at the top and down we run. That's the way we make a 1. Here's number 5. Down and around, frog jump with the flag on high. That's the way we make a 5. Number 2. Around and back on the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. Start at the top and down we run. That's the way we make a 1. Number 5. Down and around, frog jump with the flag on high. That's the way we make a 5. Around and back on the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. Start at the top and down we run. That's the way we make a 1. Around, down and around, frog jump with the flag on high. That's the way we make a 5. Number 2, around and back on the railroad track. 2, 2, 2. Now we're going to sing the song for 1. One finger, one thumb, keep moving. Oh, Annie, keep moving. Oh, Annie, keep moving. We'll all spell number 1. O, make a C and keep on going. O, N starts on the belt line. Little line down, back to the midline, and over. N. Number, or the letter E, little line across, little C. H, start at the hat line, go down to the shoe line, back to the midline, and over. H. U starts on the belt line, to the shoe line, back to the belt line, and down. U. N starts on the belt line, down, a bump, over. N and D. There's a C in the letter D. D, R. No rainbow R's. We start at the belt line. Little line down, back to the midline, and over. R. E is the only letter that does not start on a line. Little line across, little C. D, there's a C in the letter D. 150. F, starting on the hat line. I, little line down. Okay. F, big line down, back to the midline, little line across. 50. Big line down and little line across. Y, little line down, frog jump, big line down. 52. We're going to sing the number 2. I write number 2, just T-W-O, just T-W-O, just T-W-O. 152. So if we're going to write 152 in expanded form, we have to write what we hear, right? So we have 100 is the first number we hear in the number 152. So we're going to write 100. And then we're going to add 150. You hear a 50, 50, 100 plus 50 plus 100, 152. So we're going to add 2. So this is expanded form for the number 152. Okay, expanded form. Now we're going to do it standard form. That's just this way, right here, 152, the regular way of writing it. 100, 5 tens, and 2 ones, 152. We're going to scroll down, counting by ones to 24. You guys can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to stop right there and I'm going to let you guys discover the rest of that. Now we're going to work on part whole, okay? Remember that the whole or the total is your greatest number, okay? That's how many dots you have in all. So if I draw 8 dots up here, okay, and oops, I have one part down here, right? That means one here. The rest of this right here has to be the other part. So the other part has to be 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 1 plus 7 is 8. So 7 plus 1 equals 8. 1 plus 7 equals 8. The answer is the same no matter what you do. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Now we've got our whole here, and we have our part and our part here. A part plus a part is a whole. 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 So I know that I can add my two parts together. And since 5 is a part and 5 is a part, I know I can add them. 5 plus 5 equals, ooh, that's my addition double. 5 plus 5 equals 10 again. So my total is going to be 10. Okay, let's look at our place value. We have one group of 100, 5 tens, and 2 ones, right? So we have 100. Oops, it's not going to let me write it on the inside. So I'm going to write 100. So it's kind of like writing an expanded form, right? So we have one group of 100. We have 5 tens. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. What's the value of 5 tens? Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So the value of 5 tens is 50. 100 plus 50 plus how many ones? 1, 2. How many ones do we have? 2. Okay. If I want to show 10 more than 152, then what I want to do is just add another group of 10, right? So if I add another 10 to this, then I have one group of 100, and I no longer have 5 tens. How many tens do I have? It's 6 tens. So I have one group of 100, 6 tens, and 2 ones, right? So 152, 10 more than 152 is 162. I'm going to erase this. And if I want to show what 10 less than 152 is, I would have to take away a group of 10. My hundreds stay the same. I still have 4 groups of 10 now. No longer have 5 and 2 ones. Okay, so 10 less than 152 is 142. Let's sing our coin song. And I'm going to hold up my coins. A penny equals 1 cent. A nickel equals 5 cents. A dime equals 10 cents. And that makes sense to me. A quarter equals 25 cents. A $50 equals 50 cents. A dollar equals 100 cents. And that makes sense to me. So here it says match the coin to its value. Do you guys remember what that coin is? That first coin? Right, this is a penny. So if I have 1 penny, another penny, another penny, and another penny. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 pennies. How many cents do I have? Right, I have 4 cents. What coin is that one? It's smaller than the penny. Let's see. Do you guys remember? It's a dime. A dime equals 10 cents. So if that's 10 cents and this is 10 cents, let's count by tens. 10, 20. So 2 dimes equals 20 cents. What coin is this? Do you remember? A nickel equals 5 cents. 5 cents, 5 cents. Let's count by fives. Ready? 5, 10. Okay, so 2 nickels equals 10 cents. Now we're going to go up and look at our number 152. Remember that every time we look at a number, if we're trying to determine if it is even or odd, we always look in the ones place. Let's look down here. 152, we have 2 ones. So from here, I'm just going to circle my partners, right? Does everybody have a partner in the ones place? Yes, so that means because it has a partner, my number is going to be, oops, my number is going to be even, E-V-B-E-N. I don't know what happened there. E-V-E-N. So I'm going to circle the word even, okay? So if I have the number 150, 52, 152, I want to know what number comes before 152, and then I want to know what number comes after 152. Okay, so if I have number 152, what comes before it on a number line? So if we have one group of 105 tens and 2 ones, if I take one of those ones away, I would have 1 1, right? So my number before 152 would be 151. So what comes after 152? Well, what comes after 2? 1, 2, 3, right? So the number after 152 is 150. Oops. 50. 3. Okay. So the number before 152 is 151. So the number that it is in between is 152. I'm not sure why that's there. So if I have 152, it is between the numbers 151 and 153. Oops, that one didn't work either. 153. Okay, so that's the number of the day, 152 from the May packet. And we're going to count backwards from 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,